Okay, so today we're planting up the low tunnel. Okay, let's talk you through what I'm planting in the low tunnel. So first up we've got Kalina kimchi, have some spring onions, lettuce, spinach gigantor and beetroot. Start with the biggest ones first. We'll put these into the middle. This is the Kalina kimchi. These will get quite big, probably to the top. So those two are in. Then we want some lovely spinach. Just prick them out if you're growing them in trays like so. And we'll put these on the edges. Shall we go one in the middle? Why not? Okay. And we're going to do at the front a line of spring onion. These are in plugs, really handy. Pop them out. Easier said than done, eh? These will go along the front. Like so. And we're going to have a row of beetroot in the middle. Again, these are in plugs. And this time of year I just have them for the leaves. Okay, so now we're going to make a rill at the very back for the lettuce. My trusty stick. And I want this in a straight line, simply because when I water it, weeds will come through. So I want to know what is my lettuce and what are weeds. Normally I'd have plugs, but as you know, a lot of my lettuce plugs have failed due to the heat wave. This is a mix of lettuce. So if all else fails, something will germinate. And I'll leave my stick just behind where I know they are. Rough the ground over and then give her a water in. As you can see, bed's now fully planted up, watered in, and we'll pop the lid back on. Okay, I've just put a few slug pellets down and we'll close her up. And I'm going to put this on ventilation, we'll call it number 1, so a flat bit of wood. And there you are, she's good to go.